Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a chunky knit blanket. It's super soft, super comfy, and very inexpensive. A lot of the merino wool blankets that you can find online are around the $100 to $150 mark. This one here only cost me $35 and you don't need any tools. All you really need is the yarn and your hands and you're good to go and make this blanket. So if you're interested in learning how to make this blanket to keep warm during the cold winter nights that are coming, make sure to keep watching. I'm using 6 of these rolls of yarn I got from Michaels. It costs around $35 and Michaels always has coupons that you can use to bring down the cost as well. You can always use more or less depending on how big you want your blanket to be. So start off by unwinding some yarn so that it's easier to work with. Then to get started, you're going to want to tie a loop just like this. And then pull the yarn through that loop so that you have a new loop. This is the base of creating the braid pattern to start your blanket. The key is to make all of your loops the same size so your blanket isn't tighter in some spots and looser in others. I did about 30 loops on this blanket, but you can adjust it to however you like. Now to start in the second row, create another loop through that last loop and move the braid to the other side. This is the tricky part because it's the first row, but you're going to pull the yarn through the top of the braid to create a new row of loops. It may look a little weird at first, but it's going to get better. This is just the beginning. Continue building new rows by creating more loops. Put on a good movie and really just go at it. If you know me, of course I have Harry Potter playing while I make my blanket. Your blanket will start to get thicker and longer with every new row you create. Make sure to also rest your hands to prevent cramps. The first time I made these blankets, I was a little overambitious and made 2 in a night. It took me about 6 hours, and since it was my first time, I needed to give my hands a week's rest to recover. Okay, when you get to the end of the blanket, you're going to create 2 loops just like it was a new row. But then you want to pull the second loop through the first loop and repeat this for the rest of the row. You can see it makes that braid to top off the blanket. When you get to the last loop, cut your yarn if you have any excess and pull the yarn through that last loop and just weave the rest of the yarn into the blanket. You can't even tell where the end is. And that's it. It took me about an hour and a half to finish this blanket, just enough time to watch my entire movie. These blankets also make really great gifts. Just wrap them into ribbon and you're all set. So that's it guys, that's how you make a chunky knit blanket. Super inexpensive, no tools necessary, just your hands. Very soft and cozy and comfy and perfect for those cold winter nights that are going to be coming very soon actually. And as you saw, it really makes a great present as well. Anybody who you give this to is going to love and appreciate it. So definitely a great gift that you can give for others during the holiday. I know that this usually isn't a video that I do, but I just want to thank you guys for taking time to watch it. If you like this video, make sure to like it and also to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. And I hope that you guys have an amazing day and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!